Are you trying to move your Revit model into Lumion, but it doesn't show up correctly, or you are completely stuck? You are not alone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to export your Revit model to Lumion, including the fastest LiveSync method and a backup method that always works. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Prepare your Revit model. Before exporting, you need to clean up your model. Make sure your walls, doors, and windows are properly placed. No unnecessary elements are visible. Step 2. Use LiveSync. This is the easiest and fastest way. Install Lumion LiveSync plugin. Go to your browser, type support.lumion.com/downloads. Enter. Now search Lumion LiveSync for Revit. Click the first one. Download Lumion LiveSync. Okay. Take note, this is very important. If you are using Revit 2023 to 2026 and Lumion 12.0 or newer, download this one. But if you are using older version, scroll down. Here, if you are using Revit 2016 to 2025 and Lumion 10 and 11, download this one. I'm using Lumion 12 and Revit 2023, so I will download this one. Click here, download. You will be asked to sign in. You can create a new Autodesk account. I have an account already. Let me select it. Alright, now click here to download. It's downloading now. Okay, we are done downloading it. It's here. Close your browser. Head over to download folder. Now we need to install the LiveSync. Click on it. Right click. Open. Click install now. Okay. Close. Now open Revit. You'll see this notification. Click always load. We have the Lumion here. Click on it. You can start the LiveSync here. Alright, open Lumion. Let's create a new project. If there is anything you do not understand, drop it in the comment section and we'll attend to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now open Revit. Click on this play button to start LiveSync. Alright, here is it. This method updates in real time. Any changes in Revit reflect in Lumion. If your laptop is not compatible with Lumion, I'll leave a link to some recommended laptops and other accessories in the description section. You can check it out. If LiveSync doesn't work, we try the backup method. Sometimes LiveSync may not work, so here is a reliable alternative. Click on File, Export, FBX file. Click on it. Select the folder. Let's save it here. Now open Lumion. Click on Import Models. Import new model. Here is the FBX file. Select it. Open. Click OK. Place it. Press Escape. Now your model is inside Lumion. In the next video, I'll show you how to add materials, trees, and create a realistic render step by step. If this video helped you, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.